Hi, this is Matt Tanney, Director of Athletics and Campus Wellness, and today I just wanted to give you a few updates on the status of the new Little Giant Stadium. As you can see behind me, there's quite a bit of activity going on right now at the new facility. The elevator tower has been constructed, which was really the first major component of the new construction. We have exterior walls also going up right now for the bathroom spaces and the concourse area. And also new and really exciting today is the arrival of the steel, which will start to form the new grandstand at the stadium. A couple other components of this project that are underway. The previous field turf has been completely removed now and is making way for the new Navarro Field at the new Little Giant Stadium. The new product will also be a field turf product. It will just be a newer, more modern version of the previous field turf product. A great part of that is that we've been able to recycle a lot of that material from the old infill and use it for the new field here at the stadium. So lots of activity, lots of excitement. The scoreboard on the far end of the stadium has been removed, and it will be relocated closer to the Allen Center, parallel to Chadwick Court, just next to the flagpole. Another portion of this project that has not quite yet begun, but we're also really excited about, is the new track surface. It will be a new poured-in-place track surface through our partners at Bynum, and we're really excited about being able to host home track meets for our track and field program as well. So a lot of activity, still a lot more to go for this project, but we fully expect that we'll be ready for kickoff on September 5th, 2020 against Rose-Hulman. So best wishes to everybody for continued good health, stay healthy, and Wabash always fights.